Oh.
Biology first. I know it's better at the beginning.
Hey guys, my name is Kerry. Welcome to my channel. The focus of this video is prepositions of place, and we'll be doing a quiz to test your knowledge of the subject. For each sentence, the goal is to state the single best answer. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. A dog is the box. A dog is the hat. A dog is the box. A dog is the box. A dog is the present. A dog is the boxes. A dog is the present. A dog is the boxes. A dog is the ball. And we're done, 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 done. Thanks for watching, guys. How did you do in this activity? Please let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to check out other cool videos on this channel. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so, and perhaps share my channel with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, guys, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye. Mwah.
Oh.